Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Creative Medicine. In this channel, we will learn we will learn different subjects of MBBS, starting from anatomy to the final year, psychiatry, anesthesia, and radiology. All these subjects will be dealt in detail. Most of the lectures are being already put in the are being uploaded in the Creative Medicine YouTube channel. And right now in this video, we are introducing you to the new website of Creative Medicine, which is being created recently. Creative Medicine, this is the website. The ID is creativemedicine.educationforfun.com. So in this creativemedicine.educationforfun.com website. It is an easy to go through website, and in this website we are providing you with lectures, notes and quiz. So what are done right now? Right now if you go to each subject, you have different anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. So based on the years you can select. Like for MBBS year 2, we have pathology, pharmacology and microbiology. Similarly, for year 3, we have these three subjects. And for year 4, the rest of the subjects along with the short subjects. So now coming to each subject is again divided into courses, notes and playlists and quiz. So, courses are still under construction. It might take 1 to 2 years for these courses to come into play. Okay, so this courses page is something which takes a lot of time. So, it's not uh, completed yet. But if you see the notes, all the notes are being provided in PDF form, which are downloadable. So, all these, if you click, you will have all the notes in the form of PDFs. So PDFs of all notes are being provided in this notes section. So based on anatomy, you have this notes. Similarly, if you see ENT also notes are being uploaded. Diseases of nose. So all the notes are being uploaded in the section of notes. Then followed by which after notes for each subject, we also have playlists. I know in Creative Medicine channel, it is very difficult for looking at all the topics which were dealt, because there are almost 5,000 videos, which is difficult to handle, which is difficult to it is very difficult to find one video or one topic video. So to make work easier, all the playlists are being uploaded. They are easily um, uploaded in this website. So all these are the playlists which are seen. It's easier. You'll have to just click on the play icon and you can see them being played. So these are actually uploaded as playlists. So this is the first video in the playlist. So if you click this arrow which is here, you can see the playlists seen here. It will take some time to load because there are lots of videos or lots of playlists for each and every subject. This will make our task easier in learning. So these are the different playlists which are seen. So for playlists for each here, you can see the playlists, the videos which are seen in the playlists beside by clicking the option here. And you can select any video or any playlists can be viewed for free. So these are the videos and any video can be viewed for free. So these are the playlist section, followed by which we have the quiz section. Quiz section is not yet completed. It takes some time to complete. But for now, only the pathology section of quiz was completed, but still the videos are not yet uploaded still. So even here there are lots of quizzes like this. You can select anything, any type of quiz. You can do it. You can practice. How many number of times you wanted, you can practice. And then you will also get the explanation. But still, explanatory video is not yet linked. It takes time for it. So this quiz takes time. So right now, for each and every subject, the notes and the playlists are being uploaded. Notes can be downloaded. Each and every notes can be downloaded. Logging in sign up can be done, but it is not necessary right now. If you want notes can be freely downloaded, and even the playlists can also be freely watched. And playlists are mainly for easier easier for finding the topics easier. The main reason for this playlist is to find the topics easier. So this is about the creative medicine website which was created, and it takes some time, maybe some months or few months, for completion of it, with quiz, with courses and everything. Thank you. Please watch the videos, whichever you feel are useful to it, important for you. You can watch them. Thank you.